Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, another Corolla video, so always nice to get away from the motorcycle stuff. Today we will be installing the TB Performance strut brace. It was fairly expensive, but supposedly it helps handling and helps the overall driving experience. So let's open it up and see what we got. So after opening it up, we got the actual strut bar, the braces that go on top of the shock towers, and then all the hardware. Let's start installing this thing. So to get started, what we need to do is remove this 10mm and this 14mm. That'll allow us to lift up this plate and then slide in the mounting bracket under this, but over this. Let's get that done and on both sides, and then we'll go to the next step. As you can see, we got this plate in on the driver's side. This one will be your hardest. To correct what I said earlier, you do need to take out this one, that one, and this back one. And then what made it easier, I had someone putting the plate on over that one while I was pulling up. The window wiper configuration, all the motors and stuff, it makes it pretty stiff over here. So it's pretty hard to pull this up while putting the plate over these threads. So it is easier with two people. The other side is much easier. I did this one completely by myself. Took off the same 4 bolts, just slid the plate over those threads, and got the hardware installed on the strut, or the brace you could call it. What you do is lock washer, then the bolt, and then the ball joint thing. So now that we got the strut on, use this bottom bolt, put it all the way to the ground, or to the bottom of the thread. And you put the strut tower like ball joint, the lock washer, and then another bolt. Tighten that down, and then do the same to the other side. Then after you got your desired length, you twist these down that way so you lock in the strut so it doesn't move, and then you are done. Little me from the future. As you can see, it is cold out now. I am in a dang little winter hat and a full winter jacket. I was just editing the video for the Corolla, and I realized I didn't really even kind of show you guys what it looked like or anything, how to finish it up. So let's just kind of run through the final steps of it, how it looks, and then we will close this video out. Here it is with the wiper cowl that was gone. Wipers back on and everything. What I had a little pop-up is like right under here, there's kind of a bracket, and then the black circle that has a little bracket piece that kind of goes up here. I'm thinking if you take the nut off, you can kind of lift that whole black bracket up. It'll make it a whole lot easier on this side. The final look is that after putting this on, I noticed kind of a little bit more rigidity, maybe a little bit more performance handling. I don't know, it could be a placebo thing too. So if you have the extra money, I do recommend getting one. It is super nice to have. It makes it feel a little bit better. I don't know if it is very noticeable, but maybe it is. So definitely recommend it. Quality, craftsmanship of the product is really good. So cannot bash on that at all. It looks really OEM. I love how it's very tucked up, clean in there. There's a lot of strut braces for these cars that are just appearance looking, but literally don't do anything and will bend even if you put your body weight on it. If you're looking for an actual performance result one, this is it. And it looks super clean. It just makes the engine bay look that much better. That wraps up the install in this video. Sorry it wasn't the most in-depth install of the TB Performance strut brace, but it just kind of gives you an idea what goes into it. And if you're looking at it, I personally recommend it. It's just a good mod all around to have. Super easy install. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I will be happy to help you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. I always enjoy getting to make new videos and share the journey of this car with you guys as well. So I will see you guys next video.